Hi Dressing Cuties, Winnie here. It's fan art time, and today I'm so happy to be able to show you these beautiful fan arts that I got through the mail. And they are getting extravagant, and I want to say how grateful I am for all your hard work and all the things that you make me. And so when I say extravagant, I mean, look at this thing right here. Ta-da! I got a whole box, and this is by Lycetti. I hope I'm not butchering your... Wait. No, this way. Hope I'm not butchering your name, but thank you so much for making this for me. All the work that it took and then sending it to me. Oh my goodness. Look at these beautiful drawings from her. So thank you so much for this. And then look at this one. This one here is by Abigail. All the work that went into this right here. Look at all the drawings. Right? And that it doesn't end there. There's more. Wow. Right? Amazing. Thank you so much, Abigail. And then there's this one right here. I just wanted to show this one because I love how colorful it is. This is by Gigi. This is my little scenery that I did. And look at this beautiful poop emoji. It's just so colorful. And this is by Quinn. Thank you so much, Quinn, for this drawing. I love how you put my two Draw So Cute girls together, my #1 and the revised version of her. This is just awesome. Thank you so much. And then this one right here, Stay Safe. This is by Camry. I wanted to thank you for this card. All the way through back, and then there's the back right here. Thank you so much, Camry, and I will definitely try to stay safe. And then last but not least, this one here is from Australia, and I wanted to thank Ava here for making this card for me. I think she actually cut out every strip of paper and glued it on here to make it this beautiful cover. And the inside right here, sweet little message. But she also drew this for me. Wow, right? So good, so cute. Thank you so much, Ava, all the way from Australia. And I hope to visit Australia one day. That's definitely one of my dreams. So thank you for that. And I will definitely show you all the rest of the fan art. But before I start, I just wanted to, a little side note, if you could help me out, cuties, in the future for your fan art, just put your, like right here. Just put your first name and your last initial. Don't put your last name on your fan art. So it just makes it a little bit easier for me when I'm showing it. And then I don't have to write your name and get all confused as to what belongs to who. And also, just a little tip as to who I pick, the drawings that I do pick to show all the fan art. Because it's really hard for me because there's just so many I can't show because there's just too many. So I just want to let you know what catches my eye and what I put on the video are basically just drawings or cards or anything that's just a little bit more complete, that's colored. It shows that there's a lot of work put into it, and something that's just a lot easier for me to show, nice and big and complete, just a complete drawing. So hopefully that will help you with if you have any questions about what to send me, if you want to have your drawings shown on the video. So I'm really proud of all these beautiful drawings, and thank you so much. And let's get going on the roll of fan art. So they're all done. I really hope you love these beautiful fan art, and they're just so amazing, right? I love getting this so much and opening the mail and going, wow, right? So amazing. It's just, I'm so honored that you love my drawings and that you draw them and that you share them with me. So thank you so much for that. And before I go, just a little note: in the future, if you send me fan art, it would be really cool if you could just help me out and just write your first name and your last initial on your drawings. So it just makes it a little bit easier for me when I'm opening them and sorting through them to show on the video. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I definitely look forward to another fan art video to show off your beautiful work. And I'm so proud of you, cuties. And so like I said, this is not the giveaway fan art video. That one's coming up soon, so definitely you still have time to enter for that one, and I can't wait to reveal the winners for those unicorns. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon, cuties. Bye bye.